everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to add payment method on ShopPay. So let's get started since the process is quite easy. Open a web browser and log into your shop.app website. Once you get to the main homepage, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right hand corner. In the pop-up, click Settings. Now, in the account menu, click on Cards drop-down. To add a payment method, click on Add Card and enter the card number you would like to use for your payment method. Make sure to enter the cardholder's name on the next field, enter the expiry date for the card, type in the security code for your credit card or your debit card, and then enter a billing address by clicking on Add Address and entering your details. Make sure to type in all of your billing address correct and click on Save Billing Address. Once you are done filling in the details, click on Save Card and your payment method should now be added to your ShopPay account. You can use it to make purchases throughout the app or websites. So that was how you can easily add a payment method on ShopPay in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.